It's broccoli and almond soup.
It looks yummy.
Thank you.
So I'm back to Chitra's vlog. So today I'm having one garlic soup. Thank you.
Cheesecake. Now let us explore the old book market. Here visiting Ukkadam Lake, you can't believe I found my first collaboration with another YouTuber.
Oh, nice, ma'am.
Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing a new vlog. This vlog is going to be about going out on a Sunday for a very good lunch, followed by visiting a bookstall which sells a lot of old books. So if you are a very good book reader or if you are a book enthusiast, then definitely you will like this vlog. After that, I will be taking you guys to Ukkadam Lake also. Today I have got a new roommate. She is in political science department. So in few minutes, I will be showing you guys my new friend, and of course my friend Ananya will also be joining us. So three of us will be hanging out. So let's see the three of us having fun on an off day in the life of an assistant professor. So now I am at the bus stop. As I have said, I will reveal you my new roommate.
Hi.
She is Poornima. So how do you like Coimbatore?
So far, so good.
And now we are going for a lunch. Please tell me, how was your experience in Sikkim?
That was very nice. I mean, the mountains, the peace. Oh, I loved it. I didn't want to leave. Unfortunately, I had to.
Because ultimately she has to shift nearer her home. That's why. So we'll wait for Ananya to join us. Then we will show you our lunch time.
Joining us is Ananya.
So guys, as you can see, I'm standing at the exit because since it's Sunday, unfortunately we cannot get a table. So now we are going to head to Annapoorna. So guys, this is now the third place that we are trying. We didn't get a table in Annapoorna also. So let's see whether we get a table here or not. Yeah. So the soup for Poornima have come. So tell me, which soup is this?
It's broccoli and almond soup.
It looks yummy.
Thank you.
So welcome back, guys. How are you? So I'm back to Chitra's vlog. So today I'm having one garlic soup. Thank you. Bye bye.
Here comes my asparagus pine nut soup. So I will take taste and let you know is it good or not. But it's very hot. I need to take a little time. Yeah, I love it. I can totally smell garlic in it, and it's good. Yeah, अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं अपने सूप से बहुत खुश हूँ. So in the next starter is croquette. This is blue pea croquette. So as you can see, the color. Okay, it is not as blue as I was expecting. But let me have a bite. Chitra the vlogger. स्पाइसी खाती थी ना. कोई कोई बोलता है ना कि कान से धुआं निकलता है. Who's? Okay, I think there. Spicy है रे. Ananya. Yeah. Pesto pizza. अनन्या, वो ग्लास हटाना, तुम्हारा ग्लास हटाना. हाँ.
हम बोलेंगे नो रिमेम्बर अगर चित्रा वो हमारी दोस्त हुआ करती थी इनिशियल दिनों में जैसे बनवा था या जैसे हम लोग ब्लॉग में आया करते थे चित्रा भी लेने के मूवी में चली गई but unfortunately Martha I feel sad for YouTubers they don't get the main role.
Yeah.
That's so sad. Like they're so capable, they're so good at acting and all, but then they end up playing hero's best friend,
Yeah.
hero's brother.
You watch Carrie Minati? Carrie Minati.
Yeah, I watched that.
One hell of a guy.
I think real में वो एक brother का रोल ही है जिसको बीच में थोड़ी good मिला. वरना तो कोई नहीं है. कोई नहीं है. Even comedians have got this excitement.
Yeah.
Oh, एक यूट्यूबर है इस चैनल है गेमिंग चैनल सास का भी चैनल है पति का भी चैनल है फादर इन लॉ का चैनल है
Here comes the last cheesecake. So now from the eating place we are at the old book market. It has 31 shops. So now let us explore the old book market. I think we'll start from stall number 1. Here are a lot of books on human anatomy. Here are books for gait also. और यहाँ पे है सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बुक्स, सर्वेइंग टू फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स एंड मशीनरी, न्यूमेरिकल मेथड्स, अगेन फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, सर्वेइंग. So Ananya has got 2 books. It's of 200 rupees. Ananya, please show the book. Our engineering books are here. Now the 3 of us have come to Ukkadam Lake to relax and to feel the breeze and the freshness. So beautiful. And we have two lovely ladies carrying a big bag of books. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi ma'am, hi. Actually, we have came from a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Our channel name is Nasirikklamachi. In Tamil, they will say Nasirikklamachi. We have conducting a small game.
Okay.
You have to find three differences in this image. Can you find?
And how much time do I get?
It's 10 seconds. One,
Okay, I found one,
two, three.
two,
Which one, ma'am?
the hair and the head. This ear is
Okay,
white,
fine, super.
here it's not. I found two.
Second one?
Hair is first one, the head is second one.
Okay, nice. Third one.
I don't think there is any third one.
Yeah, it's seconds have completed 10 seconds.
Okay.
You just say anyone knows, please comment.
Okay. So in this image, I was able to find two differences, though I was supposed to find three differences. If any of you know the third difference, then please comment
And please like also.
and please do like, share and subscribe
Subscribe.
to his channel.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you a lot. Thank you.
Just you also please come. So while I am here visiting Ukkadam Lake, you can't believe I found my first collaboration with another YouTuber.
Oh, nice, ma'am. Thank you. We are also beginner. We have started 2 months only. We have started a YouTube channel. Our concept is full and full fun and information. That is our concept. What's your concept and motivation?
It's all about vlogging.
Okay.
I'm basically teaching in KCT, Civil
nice.
Engineering Department.
Nice.
So I just vlog my life in Coimbatore.
Super nice.
And please tell the name of your channel.
Our channel name is Nasirikklamachi. Please share and subscribe. Please watch all the video. You can entertainment. Our video will be better for comedy. That is the main purpose.
Okay,
Please
thank you.
support us also.
Yeah.
What's your channel name?
Chitra's vlogging channel.
Try small vlogging channel.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
So guys, that's how our beautiful day comes to an end. We had a wonderful lunch followed by some book shopping, and then I also had my first YouTube collaboration. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and have a beautiful evening. Bye.
Please use rear seat belt for your safety.